Hi everyone, this is my 2-minute video on how to start your lawnmower. Are you ready? Okay, first, you need to open your gas cap to see if there's any gas in there. And this is how you open your gas cap. Ta-da! Gas cap. Oh, there's gas in there. So replace the cap. Make sure there's gas, otherwise it won't work. Then, you gotta push the little button.
The button.
1, 2, 4. And that should do it. Don't want to overdo it, otherwise you won't be able to.
You'll flood the lawnmower.
Squeeze the handle, and then you gotta pull the cord. Harder. Uh-oh, it's almost there. Now we gotta pump it a little bit more. Okay, kids, a little bit more. Alright, let's try this again. Ready? Uh-oh. It almost did it. Darn lawnmower doesn't want to start. This is not going to be a good video.
This is too funny.
Ready? One more time, and if it doesn't run, we're in trouble. Almost, kids.
I think you need to pump it a little more.
We need to pump it a little harder.
Need to push the butt in a little more. The butt in.
Alright. One more time.
And she dies.
And I'm done. That's how you start a lawnmower.